Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. So today what's on my plate is I'm making a garbanzo bean and rice soup. You're gonna love it. The ingredients you should have right in your pantry. I'll let you know exactly what those are. So here we go. So basically two 15.5 ounce cans of garbanzo beans, 1 medium onion, half a cup of rice, 2 bay leaves, 3 cloves of garlic, 6 bouillon cubes. I use chicken bouillon. You can use vegetable. Half a cup of olive oil and 6 cups of water. So I have everything out here right now. So this is basically all I'm going to need right here. And then what I do is I take the garbanzo beans and I soak them. You can soak them overnight or just for like an hour. And the reason why you're soaking them is because if you notice, if you rub them, the skin comes off of them. You don't really want that in your soup. So you just kind of go like that and you're going to see the skin come off. See? Right there. There we go. And then it just comes off. So just do that really quick. Rinse it off. And that's it. Because if you don't do this, basically these pieces are going to float on the top of your soup. And you don't really want that. Nothing's, you know, there's nothing wrong with eating them. But, so basically that's it. That's what you just want to just rub off. You don't even squeeze it. Just rub lightly. And it just comes right off. So then basically, I'm just going to do this. Rinse them off. And I'm going to chop my onion and garlic. And I'm going to saute it. So that's what I'll do next. Okay, so what I just did was I chopped my onion and my garlic, and I put a little bit of olive oil, and I'm sauteing it. I'm going to saute it for like 3 to 5 minutes. I'm just going to put a little sprinkle of salt, like literally very little. And then I'm going to just mix it up and keep it on medium-high heat. You don't want it to like brown too much. You just want it to be translucent. So that right now, I'm just going to saute. This is really a delicious soup. You guys are going to love it. And I just love, like, I usually make things that are just in my pantry. It's just so simple and easy. So that's it. It's just going to be a little translucent, okay? 3 to 5 minutes on this. And then what I'm going to do is, I forgot to tell you that I need basically about a tablespoon of oregano. So I grow my own oregano throughout the summer, and then I dry it. And then I put it in Ziploc bags, and I keep it all year long. So I don't really have to buy oregano. So I'm trying to open the bag here. See? Let's see. Make that a little bit higher. So, okay, so here's my oregano. It's dried herbs right from the garden. So I'm just going to put some in here. Just a little bit for the flavoring. The bouillon cubes that we put in, there's 6 of them. You really don't need any more salt. I just put like less than 1/8 teaspoon in my onion, just so it can sweat a little bit. And that's it. So this is a little bit of oregano, just a little bit. About 1/2 teaspoon. The rest is going to go into the actual soup when it's cooking. When this is done sauteing, I'm going to set it aside and then start working on adding the garbanzo beans. So basically I had just drained them too. And then I will show you that next step. So this is just going to be another 2 minutes or so, and I will show you the next step. Okay, so what I did is I put a teaspoon of olive oil on the bottom. I added the 6 bouillon cubes, and I just put them right in the oil, because once you do that, you can start smashing them. Just like that, you see? And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add another little drizzle of oil you need in the recipe. You just need a little bit more. So then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead. The bouillon cubes, I smashed them up. I'm adding the garbanzo beans. I'm going to mix it up. Those bouillon cubes have so much flavor, you do not need to be adding any more salt. You added a drop in your onion mixture, but that's it. No salt. The bouillon cubes have it all. So basically that's it. I come along, I take my onion mixture, add that on top, and then mix it up. There we go. Then we're going to add the bay leaves in. There we go, 2 bay leaves. My daughter's helping me there. I'm going to add the oregano, 2 tablespoons of oregano. Okay. And we will add the rice. It's a half a cup of rice. There we go. I have my daughter here helping me. Right in there. Good job. Mix it up. Now we need 6 cups of water. Okay, so we're going to do the 6 cups of water. Just like that. Okay, that's 2. Then I need... Okay, here we go. That's 4. And then 1 more. Okay, and 1 more. There we go. So basically everything's in there. Just gonna mix it up. And the last step is to add the half a cup of olive oil. I'm going to put it right in there now while it's cooking. Okay? And since you have rice in there, you need to keep the lid on. So I'm going to put the lid on. Mix that up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the lid on and I'm going to cook it on simmer for about 30 minutes. And your soup is done. You will love it. Garbanzo bean and rice soup. So first I'm just going to let it get to a boil. Once it gets to a boil, I put the lid right on. And you are going to love this soup. It's like magnificent. So basically that's it. Mixing it and then I'm going to let it boil up and I'll put the lid on. And again, guys, you should have everything in your pantry. I always buy garbanzo beans. I just get a few cans. I always leave it in there. The herbs I always have. Okay, guys, so that's basically the recipe. Everything's in there, ready to cook, 30 minutes. You just need to get it to a boil. Mine's already starting to boil. I'm going to put the lid on, simmer it for 30 minutes on a medium low. And then your soup is done. It's delicious. So I hope you enjoy. This is what's on my plate tonight. Thanks for watching. Okay, so my soup started to boil. I moved it on the back burner and put the lid on. That's it. 30 minutes and enjoy your garbanzo bean and rice soup. And I bet you will be making it often. That's how good it is. Okay, so I plated my soup because it's done. And there you go. Now it's ready to eat. You can eat it with some bread or just eat it like that. It's delicious. My oregano pieces are a little large because, again, they're from my garden. And I guess I didn't dry them enough when I put them in the Ziploc bag. So they didn't crush up. But that's it. That's how it is. Enjoy your soup. And today I had my little sous chef my daughter helping me. I saw her sneak in the back of the picture. And she will be helping me as much as she can. Thanks for watching What's on My Plate. Please let me know how this soup was for you if you did make it. Thanks.